Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming that Helldivers II audio and your system mixer are not clipped or muted. This fixes half the problems fast. Next, set your output device to the correct physical device and match sample rates so the game and OS speak the same language. Once done, disable overlays and third-party audio processing. These often intercept or resample the stream. Restart the game and, if needed, the Windows Audio service to force fresh device negotiation before moving deeper. Now you update drivers and ensure firmware for USB/AVR devices is current because outdated drivers cause desync and missing channels. Then adjust Helldivers II in-game audio, set master and voice levels, choose stereo versus surround, and select the exact output device. This ensures the game routes correctly. After that, run the in-game audio test and play a 5.1 or stereo WAV to confirm channels. If levels or channels still mismatch, change the Windows format and retest. Small sample rate differences break channel mapping. To finish, try exclusive mode toggles and spatial sound settings because one or the other can force proper routing. Switch and retest to see which works. If odd behavior persists, verify game files or reinstall to replace corrupted audio assets, and test with a fresh OS audio profile to eliminate user config problems. Finally, if nothing fixes it, roll back recent driver or Windows updates and collect audio logs. This gives support the context they need.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.